Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Cloud Deep Dive. In today's video, we will talk about Amazon Aurora. So what is Amazon Aurora database? It's a fully managed relational database engine that's compatible with MySQL and PostgreSQL. Amazon Aurora DB cluster. It consists of one or more DB instances and a cluster volume that manage the data for all these DB instances. So when you create an Amazon Aurora DB, you will get an option that either you can have only one instance or you can have multiple instances. And when you create the multiple instances, those can be your read replicas like you had in normal RDS. But its architecture is little different from the one we had in RDS. So in RDS we have a DB instance and its volume attached to it. Whenever we create a read replica, so the volume or the data from the primary instance was copied to your secondary or your read replica. But in this case, this cluster volume is shared by all the DB instances inside your DB cluster. And this cluster volume is spread across three availability zones, which make sure that it whatever data you have written, it has six copies of that data. So when a write request comes in, it comes with the six asynchronous requests. Cluster volume makes sure that four of them are written, and once the four of them are written, will send back an acknowledgement to your primary database and it's considered as done. Cluster volume also makes sure that there will be two copies of that data in each availability zone to make sure that it's highly available. Because this Amazon Aurora DB cluster use this kind of architecture where your cluster volume is shared, it's easy to delete or add a new replica because you are not replicating the data, as all these instances, DB instances, are using the same cluster volume. So that's all about Amazon Aurora DB clusters or Amazon Aurora database. Just want to give you high level of this architecture and how it works. Hope you like this video. Please like and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye.